Her little legs can only go so fast. You gonna go run? It's a leaf.
Oh.
Can you say leaf?
Leaf.
Pretty good. Yeah.
Hello.
That's okay. Can you get another one?
Good.
That's a stick.
Oh.
Yeah. Very good.
Those are better.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yep. It broke off. What's wrong? Something on your head? Just your finger. Where's a leaf?
See.
Where's another leaf?
Where's this?
I had an ant on my leg. I did. And that's just dirt. It's okay.
Better.
All better. Yeah. See? My hand. What are you looking like that for? It's a stick. Yep. Throw it. Can you throw it? Go ahead. I think she's thinking about it. Show me another leaf. Hey, show me another leaf. Like that one, see? Here's that one. Can you show me another leaf? Oh, it's another stick. Go that way. Looking for bugs? Do you see any? Where are the bugs? You see one?
Papa.
Yeah? Where is it? Go get it. She's like, wait a minute. I don't want to touch it. That's just weird. Yeah. Do you see any bugs? Way up there? Way up in the tree? Yeah? Yeah, there's ants on the tree. Well, I was gonna film that ant, but it fell off. Poor ant. Here, let's look at this guy. There he goes. You like bugs?
Eye.
What happened to your eye?
Eye.
Say bye-bye.